Hello guys, welcome back. Now, in this video, what I'm going to explain you is by using Gen AI, not ML, by using generative AI, by leveraging multi-agentic system frameworks, we are going to perform stock analysis. What we are doing now in this video, we are building a multi-agentic AI system. By using that, what we are doing, we are going to analyzing the stocks, and based on that stock we are also searching on browser and getting the analysis browsing data as well as stock data, and we are performing analysis in this Google Colab platform using a Gemini model, and at last we are providing analysis result. So that's what we are doing now in this video. What is the task is stock market analysis using PhiData. It's nothing but a agentic AI framework where we can now using for creating multi agentic AI or multiple agents system in this Colab platform, and Gemini is the LLM model that we are using. In Gemini we have an experimental model is there that we are going to use. Now you can say I opened my notebook and I'm creating a new notebook for this, and I want to, since I'm creating this for this purpose, like stock market analysis, or you can say five based multi agentic system, right? Yes. So let me put the same name as a title for this notebook to remember it easily. Now first what I want to do is, so let's take the task like stock market analysis using what, stock data and search, web search data. So now, so first we need to get a stock data, right? Yes. To get this stock data, what we are using is YFinance. And to get this web search data, we are using Duck Duck Go search tool. Okay, let's continue and let's start the session. So to implement all these, I'm using, or to implement a multi-agent system, I'm using a framework that is Phi data. So this is nothing but the framework that we are using to implement this. Okay, now first let's install the dependencies. In this tab, let's install all the dependencies. So first let's install Phi data in a quick manner so that we would not get a lot of stuff here related to what are the dependencies which are installing. Now what I need is, I want to create a agent, right? Yes. So for web searching I want an agent, for stock data getting I want an agent. Let's create a agent for getting stock data. To get a stock data we need to get it from phi dot tools dot y finance. Let's import y finance tools, and let's make it a tool like, yeah. So this is the tool that we use for getting the finance data. And since we are creating an agent, we need to install, or we need to import a phi agent. From phi agent we need to import agent, and by using that, so what we are creating, finance agents, right? Finance agent. using this agent, I'm going to create this finance agent, and I'm providing my tool as this finance agent. What is that? Y finance tools that we imported from PhiData tools. Now, in order to work with this tool, we definitely need to provide a model. For this, I want to use a Gemini based free model. For that, I am first importing that model. So where that exactly present is in this 5 model Google, that Gemini models. Using this module, you can able to import Gemini models. It's a model, right? Gemini model. I am going to store it in this Gemini model variable, and I am going to initialize this or load this by providing what is the ID, like what is the model that we are expecting. If we do not provide anything, by default this will be considered. Since this is providing, or this experimental based model is providing me free credits, I am using that. And to access any Google model, you need to access this by using some API key. I've already created an API key for my model, that is this. I'm just copying and allowing this to access this notebook. Let's import user data from Google Colab and use that user data get command to get this Gemini API key or Gemini model. Now we get our model right now, and let me create this finance agent by providing the Gemini model as a LLM here, LLM model here, and providing the tool, that is this YFinance tool, as a tool here. So description, it's an optional. So in description, I want to tell like this is a finance agent where it will provide us the stock related details. So these details it will provide us. So you can even test it by using finance agent that we created. Dot print response is the method that you can use and provide some query like NVI DIA stock analysis. So this is our finance agent. Now we are requesting with it. The current price of it is this. Yeah. So let me include the sources as well. Show tool calls is equals to true, and let me provide instructions to specify what it need to do, like please show the references. Since we are using models, or you can say Gen AI models or ML models, might some assumptions may happen. So what I say is, so definitely use these instructions, or you can say references, so that you can able to believe the model. Okay. So now we have our finance agent where it will get the stock price related details. Now what I'm expecting, so now I have this finance tool is there for getting the stock data. For web searching, I need another tool like web search tool. So for that, I'm creating a web search agent. I'm creating this is a finance agent, and another one is a web search agent. So for this also we need to use this agent, and we're specifying like what is the tool that we are using. So first we need to specify the model. I'm specifying the model to be Gemini model for performing this web searching as well. Then for performing this web search, we need to specify what tool we are using. Since I explained you like for web searching, I want to use DuckDuckGo search. That is already available in this Phi tools. So that's why I'm importing that from this tools. I imported that DuckDuckGo, and now I want to use that DuckDuckGo here, where it will be used for searching as well as providing a news related details. So that's about this. We created a web search agent as well. Now I'm just running this. So I think we need to pre-install this dependency, that is a DuckDuckGo search. So in the installation session itself, let's perform this task. So in the starting itself, let's perform this task so that this dependency also gets installed. Okay. So now let's run this. Yeah, now it was it was run successfully without getting an error. Now let's test this web search agent dot print response for specific query like NVIDIA stock analysis. Same query I want to provide to this, so that to see web search related results, right? Yes. So you can see I found several links. Okay. Or let me provide some instructions like the same that we done previously. Please show the references. So this is one thing. And I also require like a do in-depth search. So why this web search agent I'm using? So this web search agent I'm using for getting like stock related news and stock related news as well as articles I need to get. So I'm requesting it provide stock related news and articles summary or analysis. So that's a bit better instruction. So that's why I provided this. So now you can see we're getting a yes, we're getting the summary of news related to the stock that we provided. Okay. So now we have the finance agent to get the financial related data as well as web search agent to get the search related details. Now let's create a combined agent, or mm, let's create a stock analysis agent, where this this agent what it will do is it acts like a head, or you can say it acts like a master. For this also you need to provide the model, like what model you are using for this. The same Gemini model I want to use this, and this this stock analysis agent will need to use the above two agents that we created. One is to get stock related data by using this finance agent. So I'm providing this finance agent in the team. And so after getting the finance data, it also need to get a web search related data by using this web search agent. You can even provide like tasks, like first agent what it will do, second agent what it will do to get the finance data. We use this first tool, that is a finance agent, and the second tool related task what it will perform is to get the latest articles and news related to stock. For that we are using this second agent. Okay. Now so this stock agent, nothing but this model will use these two agents or these two tools. In order, these two agents will be used by this model, and then it will get the analysis of particular stock. So if you want to include or show tool calls, then you can put this as a true, And if you want like a markdown result, then provide true as option for that as well. And instruction I want to mention, okay, before providing instruction I want to just test it. Stock analysis agent I'm using, and doing that print response of the same query I'm passing, like NVIDIA stock analysis, so that it need to use the two agents that I provided into this team, and it need to get that response from the finance agent related to price, and it need to get like web search. It need to use this web search agent to get the latest articles and need to provide me the analysis. You can see we got the analysis by using those two. Like you can see the news related data related to that stock we got, and search results related data also we got, and you can see the overall analysis as well. And you can also see the overall suggestion, like analyst price suggests a potential increase. That means the price will be increased potentially, but a short volatile will be there, like potentially short volatile, like for a small duration of time might the stock price may changes, but a longer duration if you consider, the target may increase or potentially the price may increase. So this analysis is based on these all news and these all search results. You can see the references also we can able to found here. So let's say I want my stock analysis agent need to perform some actions by based on the instructions that I provide. Then you can provide the steps here, like you can provide these two things, like first you need to get these two. You need to get finance data, and you also need to get latest articles and news related to stock, and at last perform analysis and provide results, please. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, we need to put a comma here, so that's why syntax error came. So like this, we can even provide some instructions, like how our model or how our stock agent need to work. Those instructions also we can able to provide. So let's say I want to extend this, like please provide. You can see like 5 years horizon, like, so overall recommendation we got, right? Yes. Based on the steps that we provide, it was worked like that, and it will provide us the response like this. So let's say I want my response in a, please provide the response as a simple table if possible. Like however the possibility is there, based on that provide me as a simple table response so that I can able to understood it in a clear fashion. You can see the sentiment we are getting, financials related values and factors and analyst opinions also we are getting. So like this, we can able to estimate it, we can able to use it, and we can able to perform further tasks. So now you can able to observe that overall analysis we got. So like this, actually we implement like multi-agentic system in real time. Here, what happens is the finance related searches or web related searches are automatically performed by this stock analysis model. So we call these types of models as autonomous autonomous models, autonomous agentic multi, and we are using here multiple agents, right? Yes. So that's why we call this as multi agent system. Since we are using multiple agents to perform an action, we can call it as a multi agent system. And since the task is performing autonomously, we can call it as a autonomous multi-agent system. So this is how you can able to create a multi-agent system using multiple agents. So currently for our need like performing a stock market analysis that we done using this. So based on the instructions that you provide, it will work on that and provide you results based on it. So that's all about this video. I hope you understood this video and you got some knowledge on it. So I'll show you like the overall in a single yeah, in a single cell. I want to show you the code. You can see this is the final result, like current price is this, and recent news will be news articles will predict like a price jump will be there, and mixed results are getting like analyst outlook. So 50% price increasing prediction is there, like the price will sit at 1112.69. So that's just a prediction from the model. In this way you can able to analyze your stock prices as well after creating this agent. So this is the full code that we used to implement this stock market analysis in a single cell. For stock market analysis, what we did, we created two agents. One is a finance and one is a web search agent. Whereas this finance agent, we use it for getting the finance related data by using this YFinance tools. And for web search, we use it this DuckDuckGo search in order to get web search related news articles as well as news related data from web searching. And in order to manage these two automatically, we are using this team, and we're combining those two models as those two agents into a single team, and we are created this stock market analysis agent with that team by providing a model that is a Gemini model to manage these two tools. Inside these two tools also we are using the same Gemini model, that is this. You can see here we are providing like the Gemini model, and we are providing our API key in order to specify our model, and we implemented our agents like this agent or finance or web search agent or stock analysis agent, and then we requested to our model to get the analysis for it and instructions to provide specially like what are the tasks or how this model need to perform or how the actual process need to be initiated. So those steps we specified, or instructions we specified to our agent through these instructions list. And here you can see these two are the dependencies in order for this to implement for this. And since here you can see we haven't provided any workflow to implement this, and since this is performing autonomously or automatically, we call this type of work or this type of agentic AI models as autonomous models. And here not we are using only single agent, we are using multiple agents, like two agents we are implementing using a single agent, that is a stock analysis agent. So that's why we can call it as a multi-agent system. Overall we developed in this session that is a autonomous multi-agent system to perform stock market analysis. We developed this agent. Not only this, for real-time analysis, you can also include some more details, like you can use the some more better model here to get a more optimized or more better results, and you can even increase the number of tools here by providing the tools here, like whatever the tools that we create here based on the agents. You can create multiple agents. I've created only one web search agent using DuckDuckGo. You can use like a Google search agent and use that here and provide that here and add some instructions to use that Google search agent as well to getting some other information, and not only finance data, you can also get some more data, like you can get the overall like how the market will be right now, like what is the opening price, what is the closing price, like from 1 month, what is the data from past 1 month to today, what is the data, that data you can get by using another agent, and you can use that agent here. So like that, you can increase the team, and you can able to provide some instructions, and you can able to make your agent work well autonomously to interact with these agent teams and provide you the appropriate results. You can able to increase this a bit more as well. And this is the base agent, where we are using just one finance agent and one web search agent, but you can even further increase it by improving or by adding some more agents, and you can able to get some more accurate or some more better results as well for your real time purpose. So I'll encourage you to do that. I hope this video is useful. If you feel this video is useful, then please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching again. See you back in the next video with another interesting topic. Until then, bye bye, guys.